Hey there! Ever wondered what a hashtag is? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of hashtags. So, what is a hashtag? Simply put, a hashtag is a word or phrase preceded by the pound sign or hash symbol hash. They turn keywords into searchable links. When you click on a hashtag, you'll see all the posts that include that tag. It's like a quick way to find content on the same topic. Hashtags are everywhere. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, even LinkedIn. They help categorize content and make it easily discoverable. By using popular hashtags, you can increase the reach of your posts and connect with a broader audience. Now let's talk about how to use them effectively. First, keep it relevant. Choose hashtags that actually relate to your content. If you're posting a photo of your cat, #cats of Instagram is a good choice. But #fitness? Not so much. Second, don't overdo it. Instagram allows up to 30 hashtags per post, but that doesn't mean you should use all of them. Stick to a handful of relevant ones. Quality over quantity, my friends. Third, mix it up. Use a combination of popular hashtags and niche ones. Popular hashtags get more eyes, but niche ones target specific communities. It's like fishing in a small pond versus the ocean. And finally, create your own branded hashtag. This can help you build a community around your content. For example, if you're a foodie, something like #SmithEats can become your unique signature. So there you have it. Hashtags are powerful tools that can boost your social media game. Use them wisely, and you'll see the difference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Catch you next time.